Can a person with a felony conviction ever own a gun again?
Hello, and welcome to our discussion on a very important topic today. We're going to address a question that often arises in the context of law and criminal justice. Can a person with a felony conviction ever own a gun again? It's a complex issue with both federal and state components, so let's dive in.
Federal law and felonies.
Firstly, it's essential to understand what federal law says. The Gun Control Act of 1968, a key piece of federal legislation in the United States, prohibits anyone convicted of a felony from possessing firearms. This includes not just guns but also ammunition. Therefore, on a federal level, a felon cannot legally own a gun.
Are there exceptions?
Yes, there are certain exceptions. One of them includes having your civil rights restored by the state where the conviction took place. The process, known as expungement, often involves petitioning a court and demonstrating good character and a clean record since the conviction. Another exception is if the felony conviction is pardoned, expunged, annulled, or if civil rights, including firearm rights, have been restored. It's important to remember, though, that these are not simple or guaranteed processes.
What about state laws?
This is where things get even more complex. State laws can vary widely, and some states are more lenient than others when it comes to restoring firearm rights to felons. In some states, a nonviolent felon might regain their gun rights after a certain period of time or by going through a rights restoration process. Others might be stricter and not restore gun rights at all. Therefore, the state law also plays a crucial role in this matter. In conclusion, while federal law generally prohibits felons from owning guns, there can be exceptions and varying state laws. The question, can a person with a felony conviction ever own a gun again, therefore has a complex answer and is highly dependent on individual circumstances, including the nature of the felony, the state of conviction, and legal processes undergone post-conviction. Legal advice from a qualified professional is strongly recommended if you or a loved one are in this situation and seeking to restore gun rights. Thanks for joining us today, and we hope this information was valuable and enlightening.